I graduated from college here. I went to Central Washington University in Ellensburg. I was going to law school, and I figured it's time for an adventure. I've never lived outside of Washington before, and so I thought it might be fun to live somewhere else for 3 years. So I was looking out of state. I wasn't trying to go to school in Washington. Thought about going south. I applied to some schools in the South, in South Carolina and North Carolina. But I mean, I don't know. Roger Williams is a great school in Rhode Island. That was a good fit, and so that's where I ended up. I just settled on that one. It just seemed right to me, and it was 3,000 miles away. I figured, why not? So I lived out there. I went to law school there for 3 years, and by the time 3 years was up, I was ready to come home. I lived in Washington my whole life up until that point, and I missed the West Coast. I miss Washington. Washington's my home, so it was nice to come back and see everybody again and live with my family and be close to people again. I actually moved back here for the pandemic. When the pandemic hit, I moved back here and finished online. I graduated in May of 2020. My brother and my dad were working here for a few years. My dad's been working here forever, and then my brother restarted. I think he's been working here about 4 or 5 years. They had a spot open for me. You're in law school. If you want to come work with us, that's great. You add more of the family to the business, which is great for me. I know a lot of people in law school, they're so worried about jobs. Like, oh, how am I going to find a job? It's so hard to find. But it was kind of nice to have a family back home with me, that I was able to come home and join the family business, especially with my dad and my brother. They're so experienced in the area and in the community that it's nice to kind of come back and join the practice. But they said, you could come work. They do criminal defense and mostly DUI, speeding tickets, things like that. My dad also had a little bit of a personal injury business going at the time. I've been here about a little over a year now. I fit in pretty well. We have a paralegal here, Dorian, who I work very closely with. We work together all the time. She's teaching me the ropes, and it's nice to have two of us down here working on the personal injury side and growing that business for the firm.